Today, I'm going to show you how to use the pull-push method to steer your car smoothly and safely. The pull-push method of steering, also known as the hand-to-hand steering technique, is a technique used to provide smooth and controlled vehicle maneuvers. Here's how it works. Hand positioning. Start with your hands on the steering wheel at the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, or 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock positions. This stance gives you maximum control and leverage. Initiating the turn. Right turn. Begin by pulling down the wheel with your right hand to about the 5 o'clock position. As you do this, your left hand glides down to the 7 o'clock position. The left hand then takes control of the wheel, pushing the wheel up to about the 11 o'clock position. At the same time, the right hand glides up to the 1 o'clock position. Then repeat. For the left turn, begin by pulling down the wheel with your left hand to about the 7 o'clock position. As you do this, your right hand glides down to the 5 o'clock position. The right hand then takes control of the wheel, pushing the wheel up to about the 1 o'clock position. At the same time, the left hand glides up to the 11 o'clock position. Then repeat. Pull down, push up. 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 It's important to avoid crossing your hands in front of the wheel while steering for several safety reasons, particularly relating to the airbag housed in the center of the steering wheel. In the event of a collision, the airbag is designed to deploy at high speed from the center of the steering wheel. If your hands are crossed or near the center, the deploying airbag can forcefully impact them, potentially causing injuries to your arms, hands, or face. Keeping your hands away from the center of the wheel minimizes the risk of broken bones or other injuries that could occur if your arms are thrown sharply back by a deploying airbag. By keeping your hands on either side of the wheel, you maintain better control, allowing for more precise and stable steering movements. This is especially important in emergency situations where quick reactions are needed. With your hands out of the way, the airbag can deploy without obstruction, providing the intended protective cushion between the driver and the steering wheel. This enhances the effectiveness of the airbag system in protecting your head and chest. By following the pull-push steering method and avoiding crossing your hands over the wheel, you enhance your driving safety and ensure that the airbag system is able to function as designed in an emergency. Pull down, push up. Pull down, push up. Now practice this method with your driving instructor at your next lesson. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to the Only Automatic Driving School YouTube channel for hundreds of more useful videos.